Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Dr. Clara, and today we will cover the contraindications and complications that can occur in oral surgery. Now, as always, all the information that is bolded and highlighted in blue is something I've seen come up on exams, and you should try to remember those. Now, let's get going. So, when talking about contraindications or specific scenarios in which we would not extract the tooth, it is kind of hard to say anything is absolute. These are all relative contraindications, but it is important for you to know that these are the cases that you have to be careful with. So, contraindications can be systemic or local. Now, some of the systemic contraindications are patients with uncontrolled diabetes, end-stage renal disease, unstable angina, uncontrolled leukemia and lymphoma, or even patients taking intravenous bisphosphonate.